How to buy PumpStarter token. So this token came under the symbol of start. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is your referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 2 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. This token also trending number 6 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Now as you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. Now as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch, as you can see, the slippage from Hero Customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Start token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.